Slide elastic straps and sleeve of ball return with side netting number 35 onto top net hanger tubes number 1, as shown in figure 9A and 9B. Slide the front horizontal ramp support tube number 11 into the sleeve and ball return with side netting number 35 as shown in figure 9C. Connect the front horizontal ramp support tube number 11 to the front ramp tubes number 10 using spring lock as shown in figure 9D. Slide the long horizontal cross brace in front of the ball return with side netting and attach it to the front horizontal ramp support tube